Hello, hopefuls. So I wanted to share with you this really simple, easy newbie deal. I wanted to go and test it out myself first before I told you guys to go out and do this. I did see the prices online and I had to verify that the prices, since I'm, still sort of new with Dollar General, I wanted to make sure that the prices were the same on the website as they are in the store. And for the most part, for this, it was correct. For this deal at Dollar General, you will get an instant savings of $2 when you spend $7 on Dial, Right Guard, or Tone items. So the first deal I wanted to try was the Right Guard because I had a manufacturer paper coupon of $3 off of two of the Right Guards. So I wanted to use that and it was really good savings. So I picked up two of the Right Guards for $1.75, and then I picked up the twin pack of Right Guard for $4, and that came to $7.50. So I got a $2 off instant savings. I didn't have to put or key in my phone number or anything. All you have to do is just purchase it and it comes off at the register, and it comes to $5.50. Still great savings. But if you can get your hands on this past Sunday's Retail Me Not 5-3 insert, it's a $3 off of two manufacturer coupons that you can use, and that will bring your subtotal to $2.50 plus tax. You will have to add tax, and that is 62 cents per item. So I saved $5 with this transaction. I was happy with that. The older men in my house go through deodorant really quickly, so I will be doing this deal again. I don't know how long it will last because I didn't see it on the shelf when I went in, but I will see if I can find out at another store. But you can also pick up the body wash, which I will show in another deal that I did, and I wanted to get them the hair and body wash, which I'll show in 1 second, but most of the body washes for the men were priced at $4 each. So you can get two of those and it'll be like $8. Or you can get this big one here that I see was $6.50 and maybe get something else. Like a Right Guard deodorant for $1, what they were, $1.75. So something like that. You can pair that together. Also, I'm going to show you a scenario how you can get bars of soap. So that might be another option I will try. You can also pick up these Dial body washes. I have a lot of these right now, so I passed on them for right now. And also Tone. So I haven't tried Tone, y'all. So if you tried it, let me know down in the comments how you like it. So really, guys, you can pick up what you like, but also remember that you have coupons. So you want to use the items that you have coupons with first and then go by what you love or prefer next. That's just the life of couponing. The next two items that I picked up was these two 20-ounce bottles of the Dial for Men hair and body wash, and it worked with the $2 off two manufacturer coupons. So both of them were priced at $4 each, which came to $8. I got an instant savings of $2, which came to $6. And then the $2 off manufacturer coupon that was in the May 3rd red, it used to be red plum, y'all, but it's Retail Me Not insert, and that came to $4. So it was $2 each for these big bottles of body wash. So I was really happy about that too. Okay, y'all, so this is my receipt. $4. The store discount $133.67. The $2 manufacturer coupon, and then my subtotal was $4.44 with tax $4.44, and then I saved $4. Not bad at all, y'all. My little breakdown on my paper, and I'll do a breakdown on the screen for you guys. And I really wanted to take advantage of the deodorant. So anyway, I was just showing you guys. I never remember to turn my phone camera on when I'm checking out as the prices are going down. But this is what it looked like. I'm right here in front of the window. That's why it's like super bright. My subtotal, y'all, came to $2.50. and I paid 40 cents in tax and $2.90. So I saved a total, y'all, of $5. You cannot beat $2.90. $2.90 for 4 full-size deodorants. I think that's awesome. So I'm more so pick more deodorant up for them because it's more of them in the house and they go through deodorant really quickly. Well, Jason and Cottrell does really quickly. I picked that up. So I'm going to take advantage of this deal. I'm not sure how long it will last. I have to investigate that, maybe go to another store, because on the shelf, most of your stores are supposed to have like a little, you know, where the price tag hangs, is supposed to have a advertisement of how long the sale's supposed to last, but it was not up there yet. So I was a little bit disappointed in that. But anyway, I have another example here where if you bought a 6-pack of Dow that's priced at $3 and also a 10-pack of Dow soap for $4.95, both of these are bars of soap, it comes to $7.95, a $2 instant savings, and then it will, your subtotal will be $5.95 plus tax. So that's 16 bars of soap for $2.97 each for each of those 2 packets. So that's something that you can do as well if you need bar soap. And especially the Dow, because it's antibacterial soap and we definitely need that right now. The last example scenario I have is the Dow body wash. Pick up 2 of those, the 11.75 ounce for $3. My store had them at one time, but they didn't have them today. One of the right guards for $1.75 each, coming to $7.75. Your $2 instant savings will bring that to $5.75. If you have the Retail Me Not May 3rd insert, you can use that $2 off manufacturer off of 2, bringing that to $3.75. So that's $1.25 per item. So guys, you can mix and match this any kind of way that you would like. And then you can also wait to Saturday and combine this with your 5 off 25 purchases and to save even more if you would like. If you wait to Saturday to combine this with your 5 off 25, you will have to enter your phone number into the keypad when you check out, and then as well as any other digitals that you want to use at that time, because I said earlier that you didn't have to put your phone number in if you're just using the instant savings. But if you're waiting to Saturday, you have to put your phone number in to get that 5 off 25, unless you have a 5 off 25 paper coupon at the bottom of your receipt. The next deal I've done several times, different ways, and this was one where I bought 2 of the Suave Professional shampoo and conditioner in the sports men's deodorant. This came to a total of $3 after the instant savings and also 2 $1 coupons on the Suave shampoo and conditioner. So this was a great buy. For this particular scenario, this is actually a Dollar General store coupon. So you will have to enter your phone number into the kiosk when you check out in order and clip this coupon. So it's $2 off when you spend $7. So I picked up 2 of the Suave shampoo, 2-in-1. They were $2 each. And then 2 of the Suave men's deodorant that were priced at $1. And 1 of the ladies deodorant that was priced at $1. So that came to $7. I got the $2 off when you spend $7 because I clipped this coupon, and that came to $5. I had $1 off 2 of the Suave shampoo 2-in-1 men's body wash shampoo, and that has expired. That ended on May the 3rd. So I was able to use at that time those 2 coupons, which was $2 off. So my subtotal was $3 plus tax, and that was 60 cents per item. So even if you don't have that coupon, of course it expired, and I wanted to get this out earlier, but this insert came out a while back. It's still a great savings of $5 because you get 5 items, so $1 for each item. And then if you combine this with your 5 off 25, you save even more. But if you're brand new, what I would do would I would do this separately and wouldn't do it with the 5 off 25 unless you're just ready to go ahead and dive right on in. With this, because this is a store coupon, your total, if you combine this with the 5 off 25 on Saturday, your subtotal has to be $27 because it's a store coupon, just like that 5 off 25 is a store coupon. So your subtotal has to be $27 before you add any coupon. So if you're newbie, you might want to wait, pause, get your feet wet a little bit before you add like a Dollar General store coupon on top of that 5 off 25. I really like this deal. I wish I had coupons to stack on top of this deal, because Degree is one of our favorites. And you also can use the deodorant spray too with this deal, but I just got the deodorant. So let me know, guys, if this was helpful. Let me know if you do any of these deals. I would like to just show me, like tag me or message me or something like that, and I'll show it on my channel the next time we'll do some matchups, guys, because I love to see other people's matchups and their deals and how they did them. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I see you guys in the very next video. And also, guys, sign up for Fetch. I'll put my code down below so that you can earn points while you already shopping. And once you sign up, you get 2,000 points. I get 2,000 points. So thank you for those who already signed up. And you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.